How to censor swear words or cuss words in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. With your project open, click on the New Item button and then select Bars and Tone. Choose OK, then drag this into your timeline. Next, scrub through your clip and move your playhead to where you want to remove the word and then make a cut on your clip. Then move your playhead to the end of where you want to remove the word and then make another cut. Then select your word and then delete it. So you will have a gap. Some people may want to leave it at this so it just takes the word out. Swear words or words in Premiere Pro. However, some people may want to add a bleep noise, and this is where this bars and tone comes into. So what I'm going to do is move my playhead to the beginning of this bars and tone, make a cut, move it across a little bit, make another cut, and then click into this bars and tone, press Command or Control L on my keyboard to unlink the media from it. We can then click into the audio segment, then move that over to where our word originally was, and because I've made it smaller than it needs to be, we can just click and drag over it like so. So now when we come to play this back, we have successfully bleeped out that word in our video. So let's play this back. Censor swear words or words in Premiere Pro. You can then delete this from your project, you no longer need it, and that's all there is to it.